What's going on, everybody? Soliaker here, and if you don't remember, I was arrested for felony wiretapping. And then through all the process, they ended up dropping the charges, or it was no information, something. I don't remember. It's not important. Key thing is they dropped the charges, and during that time, like I said in a previous video, I'll put that link in the description. They put me, they did the little swabby, and they sent that off to the FBI, and they also suspended my concealed weapons permit. And so for the most part, up until just recently, I've been without a concealed weapons permit. I have been concealed carrying other than when I'm out fishing, hunting, or camping. But other than that, I've been following their rules, whatever. And, I was just like, I was going to be in the north. I had plans to go up and do a bunch of open carry stuff up there. I was like, I'll drop this letter off while I'm driving through Tallahassee. So, that being said, this video is about me going through the Capitol and another part of the Agriculture Department. And I'll make sure that I'm letting you know a lot of this stuff and why it happened. So, yeah. So now I've got to wait another 30 days or something to that effect for me to get my concealed weapons permit back. So they're so quick they'll slap you with all these things, but when you're not convicted of these things, they don't just, oh, you're good, you're back to normal. You have to go through some things. So let's get into this video. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. And I'm going to get out of here. Soliaker, deuces.
Perfect. I don't think I have any knives. Hello. Is the Agriculture Department here?
Agriculture?
Yes.
It's going to be in the main capital.
Over this way? I got to deliver this paper to the Agriculture Department for my concealed weapons permit.
They don't do that in this building. You'll have
I have to talk to the Agriculture Department. They took it away, and now I have to get it reinstated, and I have to give this to them.
Okay, that's fine.
Main Capital. Main Capital? Thank you. Officer, is this the main Capital right here?
No, this is over here.
Is the main entrance?
Just walk down and you'll see a big entrance.
All right, thank you.
Good luck.
Agriculture Department?
Okay. Just take anything out of your pocket.
Oh yeah. I didn't know if it was here. I've been walking around trying to find it all day.
This is the Commissioner of Agriculture's office. Yeah.
All right, perfect.
You're looking for a certain division on it?
They took my concealed weapons permit, and then they dropped my my felony charge, so I have to deliver this to get my.
I got you.
It's a whole. I wish.
Yeah, that's more than likely going to be the office out of Capitol Circle, but you can try here.
Well, I'm clueless right now. They said this needs to go to Agriculture Department in Tallahassee, and there's like 4 of them.
Yeah,
I don't mean to slow everybody down. I'm sorry.
Yeah, there's the main office that deals with that over there off the Capitol Circle, but they may or may not have you go over there. But take it here.
It's not gonna hurt. They're gonna give me. And you said the agriculture department is? Yeah, curves.
How can I help you?
I am here to deliver some paperwork to the agriculture department.
Okay.
My concealed weapons permit got suspended because of a felony. The felony got notice of no information. This is what they gave me when they dropped the charges. So now I have to give this to you for them to reinstate my license.
Okay, I can get it to the licensing department for you. Just an FYI, we do have a specific, like Tallahassee regional office for licensing. It's over there off of Capitol Circle, northeast.
If you give me an address, I'll Google it and I'll walk myself right to it. I want to put it in the right people's hands.
If you're walking,
Well, I mean, I can go get my car. It's right up the road. It's not that far. I mean, I parked maybe like 10 minutes away from here. And I can get my car, go to them. It's weird how the parking is here. I pulled into here and they're like, no, you can't park here. You got to go over here. And I'm like, and then I went to the parking garage and I got a kayak on my roof and I'm like, I don't think I'm going to clear 7 feet. So I can't get into the parking garage. So it was just like,
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the parking over here is just.
Yeah, a lot of people.
Yeah, well, you know, you came in the busy season.
Yeah.
It's like super busy. You just happen to be here.
Yeah. Well, I love meeting new people, and I may go and see some of my representatives today.
By all means.
And that's this building?
This is the Capitol building.
Right.
Right. And here, while I'm writing down the address, feel free to take a look at this. Welcome to Florida's Capitol.
All
And
right.
this is a map.
There we go.
Cannot have the map.
I'm not going to take the map. I was just going to look at it real quick, but
Look at it.
all right.
But I had somebody come and take on that building.
And the next thing you don't have
They
any.
were like, hey, how do I get here? And I was like, I don't know. They took my map. Now, like I said, I'm 100%. I can inter-office mail it to the department.
Yeah, I want to put it directly in the right people, the right person. Not to say you're not the right one. I'm just saying. Yeah, I don't. You're absolutely right, and that's why I want to make sure I want the right one. It's just I've been bouncing around from place, and I called it like I think 7:50, and I was like, it should be there, and then I realized it was not 8 o'clock, and I was like, I'm a goofball.
So an RO is called like regional office. So if
Okay.
you see that and you're like, I don't know what that is. It's regional office.
Gotcha.
So do you know where Capital Regional Medical Center is?
Nope, but my Google does.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been Googling everything around here because it's so, I'm from South Florida, so this is all new to me.
Yeah. And Tallahassee's got some real fun like wet bags and such.
Yeah.
Are you up here visiting?
Yeah, I came to drop off this. I had to go see the Elections Commission, and then I have to go see FDLE after this. So I figured I'd make it a whole. I've been out fishing, but it was a little cold yesterday. I'm going to do some fishing today. So just making it a trip, you know?
You've got a kayak, you said, right?
Oh, yeah.
Have you ever been up to this area before?
I visit up here, but never fishing up here. It's just been like family travels, things like that.
Okay. Do you know where the Westchester River is?
Yeah, yeah.
Do it.
Yeah, it's cold right now. It's too. I bet you, like, come March, April. Yeah, I'll probably come back. But right now, the water temp's not bad. It's just once you get cold and you get out, that's when it's like,
That's the thing.
yeah. All right, thank you so much for the information.
Have a good day.
See ya. All right. Yeah. Yeah. You're welcome. Woo. No, they're not. Hi. Oh, I don't have a. I don't. I just all I was told to do was to deliver this. I'm trying to get my concealed weapons permit reinstated. They took it because of a felony charge. This is the case. This is them dropping the charges. Notice of no information.
Okay.
And that's all I needed to do is just drop that off.
Okay. Let me,
And is there anything else you needed from me?
No. Let me make a copy though. And
Okay.
Give you a copy.
All right.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right,
Just
thank
a
you.
Copy for your records.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much. And then the other question, call back in like a month or so to see where they're possibly at with it.
I'll say give it a month and you can come back up here and require.
Yeah, I'm from South Florida.
Okay.
I just happened to I had to go out to Destin and I had to do some work over here at the Capitol.
Okay.
And so I was like, I'm in the area, might as well just drop it off and save myself a headache.
Right.
But I'll give a call back and then we'll just go from there. And this is the
That's fine.
licensing division.
Yes, it is.
Okay, because I've been to in the downtown or whatnot or the Capitol, and they bounced me around, and I'm like, I don't know where to go. I'm not from here. All right, thanks again.